If you're looking to improve your ad performance and take your campaigns to the next level, AdCreative AI Insights is the tool you need. In this quick explanation, we'll walk you through how this software works and how you can use it to optimize your advertising efforts, whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out. AdCreative AI Insights is designed to help you craft the most effective ad creatives without the need for a team of designers or copywriters. The software uses artificial intelligence to analyze thousands of data points from your campaigns, and then it generates insights on what's working and what's not, giving you actionable recommendations that improve your results. What sets AdCreative AI apart is its ability to predict the success of an ad before you even launch it. It uses data-driven insights from similar campaigns to optimize your creatives, so you don't waste money on ads that won't perform well. And these insights don't just come from one or two metrics. They're based on a deep analysis of everything from click-through rates to engagement patterns and conversions. Once you plug in your data, AdCreative AI's platform does the heavy lifting, making real-time suggestions on things like ad copy, images, and even targeting adjustments. The goal here is simple: help you make better decisions faster and optimize your ads for the best return on investment. The beauty of AdCreative AI Insights is that you don't need to be an expert to get value from it. The software breaks everything down in an easy-to-understand way, so even if you're new to digital advertising, you can quickly start using these insights to boost your campaign performance. It's perfect for small business owners, startups, and marketers who want to scale their ads without complicated setups. But here's the catch: AdCreative AI doesn't just tell you what you're doing right or wrong, it shows you how to fix it. So, rather than guessing or relying on your gut, you'll get concrete recommendations that can immediately impact your ad performance. This is a game changer for anyone looking to maximize their ad spend and make the most out of every campaign. The platform's dashboard is intuitive, offering a streamlined overview of your ad creatives and their performance. From there, you can make quick adjustments, test new ideas, and track the success of your changes, all within one place. As we're diving into the world of AdCreative AI Insights, remember that there's no need to make a long-term commitment right off the bat. You can actually try out the software completely free. Check the first link in the description below to grab an exclusive extended free trial so you can experience firsthand how AdCreative AI can improve your ad performance. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how AdCreative AI Insights can help transform your advertising strategy and give you the tools to enhance your campaigns. Don't miss out on this opportunity to improve your results, whether you're new to the platform or have already been using it. If you want to see what this powerful tool can really do, remember to grab your exclusive trial using the link below. With AdCreative AI Insights, you'll stop guessing and start optimizing like a pro. So, give it a try and watch your ad performance soar.